Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. So today we are going to see in formula number 14, which is upper, lower and proper. Before seeing this video, we have conducted a master live class of introduction to macros. If you have missed our live session, we have given the link in description and iCard as well. Please do visit that as well. And previously we have posted 13 different formulas videos, and those will be in the description link as a playlist. Please do watch it also. If you want to get more update on our channel, please do follow our Instagram page. Let's jump into our today's topic. So you can see there are three different formats: upper, lower and proper. So why this is used and where it is used. So these three formulas will be used in changing the text into proper format. Okay. So if I consider the meaning of upper, lower and proper, it's like upper is for uppercase, lower is for lowercase, and proper means making the system properly, text properly, right? So let's go to the live example. To start with upper, just equal to and type upper. Now we can see this caret or this Boston, this board or anything. I'm just selecting that one and I'm closing the text. I can see this is all the values of the particular cell is completely changed into uppercase, which is the complete capital letters. This is the use of upper, and then lower is completely opposite to upper, which is will convert completely into lowercase, which is the small letters. The same bars I'm giving, so you can see it is like upper, lowercase is done. So what is meant by proper? If you're handling a multiple text in multiple lines, then you want to give it in a proper way, which is like the first letter should be in capital and then rest will be in the small letters. The same way, if you want to do that, this particular formula will help you to do that. So I'm just we'll check it for each and every words here, because this proper is very important to deal with. So I'm just giving it for the bars. It's already in proper, so I'm just giving it here. You can see it is back to its original name. Suppose here this chocolate chip I'm just changing the values in if you are also getting a question like, I have a caps letter in between, and where alternately I have it, I'm randomly giving it. So randomly I have it wherever I need. Okay, if you see this particular example, right, I'm just highlighting it. So this particular example, if you see, I have purposefully made this form text like alternatively small case, capital letter, and the change accordingly. Now I am applying the same formula, upper, lower and bars. Let's see what will happen. So equal to, sorry, upper of this particular text. See, again the same happened. It's like completely change the text into upper. Again I'm just copying and putting it here. Oh, sorry. Chocolate chip. Again this is into complete lower, and here comes the our interesting step, which is our proper. Will it work? Let's see. Yeah, it worked. See, and also you can notify that this chocolate which is on C, the chocolate C, and also the chip C, which is properly converted into capital value. So that's why this is called as proper formula. And now the syntax for this formula is starting with, when you're giving the formula, it is giving in the bracket as text. And I request everyone to try this one with the numerical value, and give me your answers in the comments box. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.